this is nothing but you know cauliflower pakoda. So I just cleaned up cauliflower and cut into pieces and added a little turmeric and corn flour and chili powder and salt and little bit of you can add if requires little bit of vinegar and mix it and you keep it in fridge for 20 minutes and then leave it in oil, and this will definitely give you can enjoy the each bite. So this is the output. You can see it turned into red colorish this end, and this is a clean output of cauliflower pakoda. Enjoy the evening, guys. Climate is very chill. One side you have tea and other side you can have the bite of cauliflower pakoda. Thank you, guys. You can try it. I took 500 grams of cauliflower cut, so you can also try. Have a nice day. God bless.